have you ever headed out the door? Maybe you're on your way to work and you put your key in the car's ignition and you turn it and then nothing happens. The car won't start. What do? Well, the first thing you do is you go and you pop the hood and you take a look to see if something stands out as to what could be the problem. You wouldn't just shout at the car saying, there's nothing wrong with me. I've done my part. I put the key in the ignition. This is your problem. Maybe you're just a lemon. I got ripped off. Car, you need to figure out your shit. You better figure it out and make it snappy, because otherwise I'm going to trade you in for a newer model. A newer car wouldn't give me these problems. Nor would you just sit and do nothing, hoping that one day the car magically decides to turn itself on. Now, can all these things be true? Could the problem lie with the car itself? Well, yeah, sure. But it also can be that you just forgot to put gas in the tank. So you're going to have to pop the hood of your marriage and look deep inside and see if the problem can be easily found, or if it's going to take a deeper diagnosis. Is it her? Is it you? That's what you need to find out. And usually what you're going to find is that it's not just one thing. Usually it could be one large thing, or it can also be one big thing with a couple smaller issues sprinkled in.